Hi all of you, back with another video on Docker architecture. So in this video I will be showing you what is the architecture of Docker. In this video I'm going to show you the architecture of Docker again, and this will be your part 2 of architecture. So let me just make the architecture first. Let me make a square here to show you. So let me make big square like this. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so now let me show you that this is your OS. Okay, OS means your Windows, Linux, Mac, anything. On top of that there is your Docker. Okay, on top of that there is your Docker. Okay, and on top of that there are your containers. Okay, let me write here C1. This is your container 1, this is your container 2, and this is your container 3. So what are containers? So many of you are thinking now what are containers. So let me show you. Where is my here it is. So you can see that a Docker container, this is your image. A Docker container image is a lightweight standalone executable package of software that includes everything needed to be run on an application: code, runtime, system tools, system libraries, everything. Okay, so let me go back here. So here it also contains, so let me first rub this as well. So let me write here first. uh, it contains your application and your libraries. Okay, which means your OS. So there is mini OS as well in your container. There is no need to worry. I will explain you while doing, when I do hands-on on Docker. So just make a picture that a container has its own OS, which is your mini OS. A container uses small space for its OS because it contains a mini OS. Okay, and by using this container you can create an image as well. So now many of you are thinking now what is an image. So image is like let me open my browser first. So yeah, image first. Let me show you. A Docker image is a file used to execute code in a Docker container. Okay, so let me write here a screenshot. Okay, screenshot of what, of game, any game. Okay, so or let me show you GTA Vice City, everyone knows. Okay, so this is your screenshot. So this is your screenshot. Okay, so when I open this image, okay, this is image of GTA Vice City. This is screenshot of your GTA. Okay, so uh, when I share to someone, like if I share to you, so you know that this is GTA Vice City and you can download it as well. Okay, so you know by seeing this image. So that it is similar like that. If you create an image of a container, so it means if you, then if you share to Docker Hub, there is a Docker Hub as well. So let me write here Docker Hub first. Let me show you how it works. Docker Hub. Okay, so here you can, let me show you first. Let me open Docker Hub. Don't get confused that what is image. Okay, image is nothing, just a screenshot of your container. So yeah, that's about, I think, for now. And now let me show you something more. So now it's time to talk about something more like so let me show you. There are three things more. Like there is one your Docker client. Okay, and there is one your which known as, let me use orange one, host. Okay, there is your host, and you can say server as well. Also you can say daemon. Okay, I'm writing just d daemon. Okay, they the three both they are they are all same, so I will be using uh, any of term in my videos. So there is one more thing which is known as your registry. Okay, Docker registry. Okay, also I want to show you something more, like I already told you that by using your container you can create image as well. Okay, and I want to show you something, like when I create Linux machine, most of you have seen that this is your image. AMI is your Amazon Linux image. You can see here Amazon machine image. Okay, so this is your Amazon machine image, this is also your image. So now you can understand, but it contains all software, all also your OS as well, which is your what, Linux. And yeah, that's about for Amazon machine image. So let me run this one. Okay, and let me give you an example that there is a website of Amazon. Let's say there is a website of Amazon. Okay, Amazon. Okay, and if you want to uh, let me write here UI, like if I want to containerize this application, if I want to containerize this UI, so how can I do that? First I will write a Docker file. There is a Docker file, so in which you write your instruction, what OS should be used, and what all dependencies should be there, and what will be the volume, what will be the port, all this, which it means that your set of instructions will be written here. By this Docker file you can create an image. Okay, and by creating an image you can create a container as well. Okay, by using build command, let me write here build, by using build, okay, command you can create image, and by using run command you can, let me write here, by using run command you can create container as well. So yeah, that is also important one. So let me rub it as well. I think this is enough for your architecture, and I will teach you your when I do hands-on on this Docker, so you will understand more. I know, but by only teaching you the architecture, I think this is not a good approach. Yeah, this much architecture is enough. I think this much architecture is enough, and now I should end this video, and from next video I should teach you how to create image, how to create containers. So by doing hands-on, as I always say that learn while doing. So when I do hands-on, so you will understand more in deeply also what is image, and what are containers, everything which I've told you just now. Okay, so I think yeah, that this is now the time for uh, ending this video. And you can see that there are some images of popular softwares, like this is your programming language, which is your Golang, and this is your HTTPD, which is your Apache server, web server. This is your Hello World. There is a image of Hello World as well. How cool is that? And yeah, this is about Docker. There is image of Python as well. So I will show you uh, something in next video. Not something, I will show you like how to create containers. First, I think this is the first thing to teach you, that how to create containers, and after that I will teach you how to create your image. I think yeah, that's about for today, and I will be meeting you in my next video.